Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to fill out Schedule B. Collect all 1099 INT and 1099 DIV forms and sort them by payer and amount. Enter each payer on the appropriate line and record gross interest or dividend amounts accurately. Use Part Roman 3 for foreign accounts and list each account separately. Reconcile totals, check your math, and transfer summary figures to your main tax form before filing. Start Part I by listing every interest payer and entering the gross amount from each 1099 INT. Include taxable interest only in the taxable columns and record tax-exempt interest in its designated spot. Keep a running total as you go and cross-check each entry against your statements. If a payer sent corrected forms, use the corrected amounts. Confirm totals match your records before proceeding to the dividend section. If this walkthrough is useful, please subscribe and like so you see more tax help. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for voice control and effortless floor maintenance while you focus on paperwork. It handles dust and pet hair so you can stay organized during tax season. Check the description for the link and other deals, then return to the tutorial. Now let's get back to the video. For Part Roman 2, enter each dividend payer and record ordinary dividends in the main column. Identify qualified dividends clearly and place them in the separate column for preferential tax treatment. Sum all dividend amounts and verify totals against your 1099 DIV statements. If you received amended dividends, use the updated figures. Keep documentation handy in case you need to reference a specific payer when finalizing your return.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.